to 11 don't turn to Christmas sake of say all of the action tori wey dey comot smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring. We dey carry am come, drop am, give you license to chook mouth inside, talk am the way when the thing be you for body, so that those wey dey lead this country go take the necessary action to move this our country forward. My name na Ezugwu Chukwudi, and as usual, I no dey alone inside studio. I dey with my brother when he sabi when I stay concerning political matter. As E Dey Hot.
Yes, good morning, our beautiful viewers. We don't carry the Wednesday edition of that Ogbonge political program As E Dey Hot. Coming at the month, we go do it. We go give different informate concerning the issues that happen across our country. Today we don't carry enter a different level. Chukwudi go do it and go give the normal talk and the intro, so that we go know what they talk about today. Now, a very interesting issue. We say it affect everyone. We will also open our phone line so that once we start to talk, at least now we feel contribute, make we know as we go take collectively as Nigerians find way out of the problems where they face us. My name never see change. My name is Nkubi, and this now As E Dey Hot.
So there on top of As E Dey Hot, the topic we carry come now the one when we say, if you talk anyhow, if he burn you for mouth. But based on say we be patriotic Nigerians, we go continue to discuss this matter. Everybody knows that the major problem we face for Nigeria today, based on the way when we say government they take the operate and they do everything. Now the war against corruption. And we don't carry to the topic called name corruption. Who be actor? Who be boss? Now very big question. Corruption. Who be actor? Who be boss? Reason now say we won't look those when we say their work. Now to do the real work, we go pursue corruption come up for this country. And one look those where we say, somehow, from the way they don't do for this country, that they corrupt, and we must pursue them for the bad things what they don't do inside Obodo, Nigeria. The topic will come up plenty smoke.
Yes, it will come out plenty smoke because if you look at you go see say yes, everybody from government to reach the lower class or the least person for the society get role to play in the fight against corruption. But then we also look at from the hierarchy. Maybe we look at based on the hierarchy. We get the executive arm of government to say now their job to do it to pass out law, implement and to ensure say they put out law. They will get the legislators where they do it. They will ensure say this law they implement and then pass them into bill. We also get the judiciary. We say once anybody violate the law, now their responsibility to do it to say okay this person don't violate the law, see your punishment and all that. And make also come bring it down to the people. It is also our responsibility to do it to also play part in the fight against corruption, so that at least once we see anybody where they corrupt, make we also do it in talk. Talk them out the way we're supposed to talk, so that at least we will not say yes, we really fight corruption. So the issue, you could take talk. Who be actor, who be boss?
Exactly.
On top of corruption matter.
Exactly. Now una go use una mind
na
talk
them.
Whether this person when I go call now, whether him be actor or him be boss for this situation. Colonel Sambo Dasuki retired. When we say right now in the face plenty charge for our different courts when inside Obodo Nigeria, sake of money when they talk say part of farm about 30 billion naira is supposed to go for the procurement of arms when we go use fight Boko Haram Jaguda people. But it can't be like say from the action of saying can they share this money in turn to for the Christmas, they distribute the money, give certain people according to waiting and talk for court. Now you get one gist when happened yesterday when come make plenty Nigerians they talk say this talk when they talk say we won't fight corruption, she na ordinary mouth. Now we they use, we really mean am. Oga Sambo Dasuki supposed appear for court yesterday, February 2nd, before Justice Afen. But gist come out say he come court late. Not be saying come court late. They carry and come court late. And before when they carry and come court, the justice already talk say okay, the person when be say now be the reason why we come here. He no day. So I don't adjourn this case till February 26th. Case when they're supposed to hear February 2nd, they don't adjourn and go February 26th.
That's under 3 weeks, basically.
They come ask DSS them say, why he be say this person when supposed to carry come court, una carry and come court late. They come talk say Oga Sambo Dasuki say he carry another case go court. They challenge say why they go carry and come court. And they come say it no matter now. Say una know say in carry another case go court. Why not do anything? They say in co-defendants, the people when they with them, they won't make those people answer whether they part of the case or not. The judge tell them say okay, what's it going to happen? They come to say he be like say Oga Sambo Dasuki say he slow. They say what do you mean by slow? They say he no wearing cloth
on time.
He no wearing cloth.
No,
quick. He no wear cloth quick.
So come attend court case.
Now parachute, he takes so cloth.
No, Chukwudi, the question is appropriate. The question they ask, who be the actor, who be the boss? In this case,
wait, before you even...
No. In this case,
wait.
In this case, we don't know who the actor be. We don't know who the boss is. Don't tell him to wait.
You must wait. You must wait. I want to ask you an important question before you call the dribble.
See, if you ask me question, ask me better question. No,
Thank you very much.
Once your question don't turn to an important question, I never trust you.
Nkubi.
Right from time, and I don't go ever for once trust you.
Okay, Nkubi, I'm sorry. May I ask you my question?
Okay.
When our former president, Goodluck Jonathan, talk say he won't use technology fight corruption. He can also talk say the way when we say they fight corruption that time, say he get some people hand. When we say, it be like say those people that they make the thing they slow. Some Nigerians talk say, he no get clue. We know the people when talk am, not the bend man, not the bend man for me if I dey talk.
Talk what you want to talk. Which come be talk what you want to talk now. Why? What to do of all this? You don't even let them they stutter, they stammer. Talk what you want to talk. You see chook now for what you talk now. Why don't they raise your voice? Who they raise voice for? I'm sorry, person if they raise voice for. Mind yourself. Mind yourself.
Are you sparking for me?
Why would I spark for you? Did you see me saying? Did you see me intruding to your talk? Why must he constantly increase voice because of say I show one facial expression? You can't increase voice and say, I be picking. Mind yourself. Talk what you want to talk. Let's address this issue like gentlemen, please.
May I address the issue?
Please.
Nkubi, what happened yesterday? I go speak English because you don't pass PJ. It has all the contraptions. It has all the contraptions.
You don't do contraptions. I don't hear. They don't hear the English. Talk with you. Talk.
A calculated ploy and a grand scheme and a conspiracy to stall the anti-corruption campaign. That is to tell you, say, he get some people when we say, this anti-corruption, when they talk, say, one fight. Then it be like, say, somehow, they no one make we fight and where. And we feel still relate them to waiting Oga Goodluck Jonathan tell us during his own time. Nkubi, what I will need you to do now? As a man, when we say, before you dey go church, I know say now, you too like money, you na money, everything wey you dey do for this matter na money.
You don't do, please. At the hit table, just, I mean, it is becoming tense. I'm becoming tense right now. Just say what you have to say. And don't just take it beyond board. Because if you do, Mr. Don't speak English, you no go like him. Just say what you want to.
You no go like him na pidgin, no be English.
You no go like him, I tell you, you no go like him at all.
Why you go talk say you dey speak English, call them say you no go like him? You no go like him English.
It's a fusion of English and pidgin. So just talk what you want to talk.
You no go like him. Different from you will not like it.
Chukwudi, talk what you want.
Now they mix pidgin and English for me. You call the time you say you dey speak English. Why you gonna mix pidgin and English for me? When they talk about people when we say they be boss, that they spoil this corruption fight. When they talk about actors, those of us when we say
on that era way they try defend, did he get it right? He get it right.
Are we not? Are we? What are we?
Are we waiting? Talking. Are we? I don't ask you questions. I don't have you to answer. Are we what?
Did he get it right?
What are they talk? Be say
no switch. Answer my question. Did he get it
Don't
right?
force me to ask you. This is not jam. Don't force me to. Don't force me to answer your question. This is not jam.
The same
what I'm saying is people there when we say that them if you see the way when they operate that they spoil this thing from under that they spoil them. And now what we supposed to do? So you see, say.
Bear in mind, say this fight, not collective fight.
Thank you very much.
So what you got to take a partner for?
No, be personal. What are they try to talk? We say we supposed to recognize. Say he get people when we say they no one make this fight succeed. Instead of make that time when they use party. They use them. They talk. What we not supposed to do? Collectively join Nigerians and the government that time to use one voice. Call for waiting. Change.
Since you don't realize, say the fight now. Say some people they put hand, monkey hand they enter to at least infiltrate this thing. You don't look. The major thing is it is a collective fight. Make everybody do it in joint hand and sure say this fight. No could see the end of this particular corruption.
Thank God say you talk this.
Why if I not if so what will happen? If
I happy say for this month of February you don't decide say you want to speak truth. And I'm grateful to God for that. Make we can't face issues now.
Thank you very much.
Now Oga Presido when they meet with the Nigerian community for Addis Ababa talk say the judiciary na him be headache.
He said so.
We know say Oga Presido na man of integrity. Everybody don't agree. Sake of say we know one thing when we say many of our politicians they do. All of them won't buy 10 motor, build 20 houses, get property for different places. They won't even if they get small people, they won't go India, go press them. But this our Oga Presido, in the live modest life, Spartan life, austere life, man of integrity, one. Number two, he talks say judiciary na him greatest headache. As we get Presido, we don't come out now, not talk say in one fight corruption, head of the executive, judiciary, their own to interpret what they inside the law. Now, Nkubi, if he dey inside our law, say if person thief big money, he come be like say he come dey slow before them do am. You go blame the people when they for you go blame the people when we say now their work to interpret what they inside the law.
Chukwudi, you see the point is now collective will. The legislators get their own role to play.
Thank you. Emphasize on the legislators. Emphasize on that.
No. We everybody get see the executive arm don't talk say look we won't fight corruption. They don't come and talk. It is not left for the other arms of government to also play their own part to ensure say they enforce this talk will come from Oga Buhari, which is where they to be like the spokesperson for the executive. Make them implement and put them into law so that they will say it go there very, very strong. Okay, if somehow, we know they see a well established relationship between executive arm and then the legislative arm. How it is they go fight them. By the time all these things play out, it is the judiciary go do. So that same game, paru-pasu kind of game between one set of people to another set of people. Now they play. That is why we are not getting it right. But I still want to ask this question. How come are we not implementing the laws perfectly well when it comes to corrupt leaders?
Thank you.
Say they will not see leaders. But when it comes to the ordinary Nigerians, the law overnight go start to work.
Thank you. Nkubi, maybe we can't even talk about that law now. The Chief Justice of Nigeria, Oga Mahmood Mohammed, come out and talk say, not be just to talk say judiciary na your headache, na be the issue. Not be just to talk say you want fight corruption. Say we need legal and institutional reforms. Things will go make our law dey very, very strong so that person when thief, sharp.
They go
he go see punishment for what he do. Nkubi may give example of what we see inside newspaper. They talk say one magistrate court for inside Osun State say 26-year-old furniture maker Ismaila Alani say the man snatch person purse. And as the man snatch person purse, they catch him, carry the man go court. The court can't look the matter finish, can't give the man 3 years imprisonment or make it pay option of 2,500. As the man don't get 2,500, he don't go prison, go serve 3 years imprisonment. Now the question I say, why he be say
to add on to this now in this same case, we see say the one Igodalo guy.
Thank you.
Say because of say they say it's stiff phone.
Exactly.
They give him
he thief handset. Not even call him phone. Handset.
Of the governors they take talk and they can't sentence to how many years they even give him. The year in fact.
You see him.
That one working on time. That
why
one work on time.
Why he be say ordinary man like you?
No, please. Listen, please, take it easy there. Just hold it there. Please.
It's an example.
Don't example me.
I say, why is ordinary man like you?
Do I look ordinary to you?
No, we are ordinary people.
No, we are, but our ordinary people say get level.
Do you have?
We are now they speak for Nigerians. So make no regard. If you are ordinary, I am not ordinary.
That's who killed your son him. Not they deceive yourself.
Chukwudi,
why you be saying if ordinary man like you, thief purse, when 250 naira inside?
The ordinary man where they refer me to, no see better thing take attach my own credibility, my own ordinary man, not to the steep pot. You know a better person.
It's an example.
No, don't example me. Go look for somebody else.
Okay.
There are people that fit into that category.
Okay.
Somebody like you.
I know it's my example. I need to use the person.
You could use somebody else. Look for a neutral name.
Okay. Why he be say?
What is it?
Why he be say Oga Ismaila now? When thief purse, when get 250, the magistrate court then follow the way when the law take the sharp.
Due process.
Sharp.
And then sure say,
but big people, 13 billion. We see the way. Why? Who could not answer that question?
They are junkets for years. We're not going to see the end of it until Paru-Pasu level go enter them. They will just forget about the kid. Meanwhile, these are money we say we're supposed to channel into it go change our own lives. But because of say some people feel say them be Superman, they get all the power. They be actor, they be actor. They be boss in this case. They not be any actor.
Exactly.
They be boss.
Nkubi, you know what call even Oga Elisha Olusegun when we say na be the prosecutor. That is the person when we say na they represent who carry case come. He talk say that thing when Oga Ismaila do, it is tantamount to public disturbance.
Hi.
Okay, Oga Ismaila don't break the law. na robber.
Public, what you call am?
Public it's an act of public disturbance.
How? Make it further break am. How?
Sake of
I'm not
say,
saying no, they doing job. He's doing his job.
Fine. He's doing his job.
And they even when they get they can't get time for
public,
that thing.
An act of public disturbance. Now our question I say, why Oga Ismail Alani when break the law, when we no support, when snatch person purse, when 250 day inside, commit act of public disturbance. And we know of some kind bows when we say the thing when they carry. If you press them on top of calculator battery go off.
It go crash.
They go come use strong word say embezzlement.
Embezzlement.
In fact, public disturbance get wait, embezzlement.
Oga Chukwudi, all the way from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
We go talk.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Chukwudi, my brother.
Yeah.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Yes, honestly, the matter today now, the message is feel somehow. You know why? It has been there. Not be today we not say law now for common people. Not be common like he take give Nkubi. Nkubi not be ordinary person.
Thank you.
Now for people like us, we be ordinary Nigerians. Have you seen any of these big men convicted for once? You know, all these things they are doing is just drama. They are just window dressing the whole thing. Before you know it, this case will now go into extinction. We've had so many of cases like this. We can't even trace where the matter is now.
Oga Chukwudi,
yes.
we don't identify one particular problem, say, the way when it's in day, as we don't see before, if we go just make noise, we don't go hear anything. How you take things, say, as we don't get president now, we don't chook hand for grand, put for man, raise our up, say, we must fight corruption. What be those things where you think, say, we if we do, where you go make sure, say, it not be like what thing happened before?
You see, the matter is simple. At times, now the prosecuting agency, now they spoil these cases.
Exactly.
We strengthen our prosecuting like EFCC, police. At times, now what you give present to court, now in court go begin the look. They can't go find cases from outside where you present. Make we train and retrain these prosecuting agencies like EFCC, ICPC, police them, so that they will come out with a clear court fact that will now support their argument at the end of the day. That's my point.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very, very much. I get proud to say your name na Chukwudi.
Must you bring up that issue? Must you bring up the issue of names?
What's wrong with bringing up issue?
No. Must you bring up Chukwudi? See, we all have names. And that name symbolize one or two things. Because of say the bear Chukwudi, no me say you are somehow related.
Please call that name with respect. Not the bend mouth, they call my name. I go say you because they be a Chukwudi. Chukwudi, Nkubi, you go even move your face, go back, Nkubi. Now they call my name anyhow. Somebody come from Owerri, when the name be Chukwudi, give this kind of contribution. We need to train and retrain. We need to strengthen our institution. And you don't make a no cut cap give up. Why are you jealous? Nkubi. Now one that no Nkubi figure.
See, anyway. Ogidi, good morning. Calling us from VI. Ogidi, you there?
I did.
Yes, Ogidi, talk to us. Chook mouth, who be actor, who be boss on top of this matter? Hey!
See the way you take calling name now. Ogidi, Nkubi, Ogidi. Now you pursue him. Now you pursue him. Not they speak Igbo for me. Not they speak Igbo for me. I go speak Latino. I go speak Latino.
See, the fact say we dey talk issue here, we dey play here. No mean say make you no mind yourself. Anyway, Nonso they call us. Good morning, Nonso, calling us from Enugu. Okay, Nonso, good morning. Nonso, you there?
Yes, I did.
Yes, talk to us.
Carry on, Oga Nonso.
Actually, yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Continue.
Actually, I want to say that the investigation team in Nigeria is a bit poor, and that is why these problems cannot easily be solved. Because when you don't present the court with facts, you understand,
yes.
that are beyond reasonable doubt, you understand? You can always expect things go either way. And that is the problem we are facing in Nigeria because...
Oga Nonso, thank you very much, Oga Nonso.
Oga Nonso, Oga also talk like person when we say he understand the law well.
Yes.
Because the way when he take attack the question now from the like what our Chief Justice talk, legal and institutional reforms. Oga Bobby, they call us all the way from Amsterdam. Oga Bobby, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Oh, no, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
This topic here, a very good one.
Thank you, sir.
The thing we say, we need to change the system of our judiciary. Why I say so, they say the chief judge, the judges them, they with the people when they want they prosecute, that they attend the same meeting, the same party, the same association. So it's like when they pass the law on their person, it go be like say that they pass them on to themselves. So then they actually they handle the case, and if you look at bail when they give to them, it's like they go give billions, they go pay them with 1 million. You understand me now? So at least they still get away with money to take a higher lawyer and all that. You understand me now? So the thing what we need to change, we say we need to do one like American system. When we say we will get citizens, and when we say go pass. When they go look into the case, they go sit down. The judge go pass the sentence, but the juries, people when go like 12 people go sit down, the men, women, old, young, all of them go sit down. They go hear the case. Then they go say this person is guilty or not guilty. You understand? Because the judges, if you look them. Well, now goat, not be goat hand, now cow leg. Cow leg they inside there.
No be monkey hand again.
They don't do anything. Now there be corruption. Not be the people who will steal money for anything. Not if the judges, now there be the corruption inside the country. Because if they do things well, if the sentence one big man say life in prison, it go make big men not say they're not go fuck up now.
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for that your important contribution. You self don't join our Chief Justice to talk say legal and institutional reforms. Make it not be like say some people they special, other people know they special. Oga Salahuddin, they call us all the way from Kaduna. Oga Salahuddin, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Hello.
Good day, Oga Shola, welcome.
Oga Shola, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Shola.
Oga Chief and Oga Nkubi, they do better work.
Thank you very much, sir.
May I just get a little thing to add for this matter? Because it affects everybody for this country. And this judiciary, I don't know. Seriously, no big deal. Not only those people who carry gun, they kill. You understand? These people actually don't kill many people. You understand? Because just imagine this matter now, when you say this Tuki matter, this armed deal now, not be to procure weapons to fight all this terrorism, but make not just reason now. Well, now these people, these are soldiers now, but they die without honor. Because you know things our government supposed to do, our leaders, they don't do. But what we want to talk now is this man. Now, for me, it's way they insist, but these people don't want to talk. I just.
Oga Shola, if like say network no green, you make your contribution. Quickly, we go take Oga Oke from Calabar in the wait on top of our telephone line. Oga Oke, welcome to AS E DEY HOT.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Oke.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning.
Well done. Chukwudi, I want to make you address me throughout this week as I'm calling Mr. Nkubi. Since he said Nkubi never called, so address me as Mr. Nkubi throughout this week.
Okay, no problem. Oga Oke, Mr. Nkubi.
Okay, make a check my small. I don't talk him before, and I go still talk him again. When you lost your thing, and person, where you and him live for the same house, follow you, they find them. You no go ever find that thing. So people will be saying that then get the power to prosecute, to fight, to bring them out. Those people where they corrupt. They're corrupt. I wonder what they talk about. So I think it's time for Nigeria to bring out those, the best. Those people where they don't train. Even if they carry $1 billion, come give, say, do this, do that, they won't listen to you. They are out for their job. And that is why it's working in Western world. It's not yet working here. Here, now the ordinary poor men, ordinary people, now then they suffer because the law now, where they try to practice now by force, now they do the ordinary men. But those men, we don't carry our proper money, use them as percent at their pillow. You know if you touch them. Because if you want to touch them, they go use that thing where they don't steal from you. Steal use and do waiting. Tell you shut up. So that's the thing.
Okay, thank you very much for this your important contribution. But what you don't talk, you talk say no sacred cows. We appreciate your contribution all the way from Calabar. Help us, they spread the word. Tell the people say, maybe they watch the People Station and the People Program. Don't go anywhere. We they come back. This now still AS E DEY.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.